the name of our beloved Rector, Monsignor Rolando de la Cruz, we would like to welcome all of you today for our celebration of the Feast of the Miraculous Medal. Muli po, from our hearts, with all our greetings and gratitude, mula po dito sa Manila Cathedral, maligayang kapistahan po ng Birheng Medalya Milagrosa.
Napagmilagruhan na ba kayo ng Diyos sa pamamagitan ng Medalya Milagrosa? Ano ang nagbago sa atin? Ano ang nabago ng Medalya Milagrosa sa ating buhay?
The recent pandemic coincided with the 190th anniversary of the apparitions of Our Lady to Saint Catherine Labore, where she revealed the miraculous medal, or the medal of the Immaculate Conception. At ito nga pong nakalipas na pandemya, isa sa mga naging gawain ng apostolate, ng Miraculous Medal Apostolate, ay magpadala ng mga Medalya Milagrosa, kasama ang kwento, paliwanag, at panalangin na kaugnay nito. Napansin ko po na marami yung tao ang biglang naghahanap at nagdanais makabili o makahingi ng miraculous medals. And from these persons who call our office looking for medals, from the most frequent and persistent ones, we were able to organize a network of devotees and individuals who'd like to spread the miraculous medal in a time of chaos, fear, and hopelessness. Noong nabuo po namin yung aming grupo, we made a group chat, and I remember I named our group chat Medals of Hope. And true to its name, our little apostolate of sending miraculous medals with its prayers became an instrument to give comfort and hope to those who are distressed and affected of the virus and pandemic. There were a lot of testimonies, miracle stories, and appreciation posts that was shared in our group chat. Most of them are healthcare workers, kasi karamihan ng pinapadalhan namin ng mga medalya ay mga nurse, pasyente, doktor, pulis, etc. That simple medal, that tiny aluminum medal that we normally give to people, gave them a sense of assurance. It gave them a sense of hope na balang araw, malalagpasan din natin ang pandemyang ating pinagdaanan. Nawa, ang maging daluyan, tayo din ay maging daluyan, katulad ni Maria, ng pag-asa na nagmumula sa Diyos. Pag-asa na hindi bumibigo at nagpapaasa. Bagkos, tunay na nagbibigay pag-asa sa iba, lalong-lalo na sa Ama.
On behalf of the community of the Manila Cathedral, I would like to welcome you and welcome the image of the Miraculous Medal, Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal, once more to the Mother Church. And I thank Father Choi for again bringing to the Manila Cathedral the image. My understanding was it was not known as Miraculous Medal at the beginning. It was just called Our Lady's Medal. But later on, those who are devoted to Our Lady's Medal, those who started wearing the medal, experience miracles in their lives. The things that they prayed for, the things that they asked the Lord through the intercession of Mary were granted to them. And that is why through the years, later on, this medal became Our Lady's Miraculous Medal. How do we define miracle? Let me suggest one word: change. Change. Pagbabago. Look at the many miracles Jesus did during His lifetime here on earth. Water changed into wine. Dead person becoming alive again. Miracles are change or changes. But miracles should not only happen outside of us. Rain suddenly stopping because the image of Our Lady is coming out of the church. Storms or typhoons not passing our area because we prayed for miracle.
Ang lahat ng biyaya'y makapunta.
Those miracles are valued. But miracles do not happen only outside of us. Miracles should also happen from within. And we have seen also people changing because of the intercession of Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. Addict becoming sober. Unfaithful husband or wife becoming faithful. Sinner going to confession and being converted to grace again. That is the nature of miracle. Change. We must ask ourselves, what changes have happened in my life because of my devotion to the Miraculous Medal? We ourselves must experience the change within. Napagmilagruhan na ba kayo ng Diyos sa pamamagitan ng Medalya Milagrosa? Ano ang nagbago sa atin? Ano ang nabago ng Medalya Milagrosa sa ating buhay? Baka wala. Sana yung mga tsismoso sa atin, unti-unting nababawasan sa pagiging tsismoso at tsismosa. That is a miracle. Sana tayo na dati ay walang pakialam, sarili lamang ating iniisip, sarili lamang natin ay pinagdarasal natin, sana namumulat tayo sa pangangailangan ng ating kapwa. That will be a miracle. Sana yung dating hindi aktibo sa simbahan ay nagiging mas aktibo at napapalapit sa simbahan. That is a miracle. We are grateful for the miracles that happen outside of us. We should also be praying for miracles to happen within.